real quick. Do you like my shirt? I just made it. What's up? Welcome back for another video. Welcome to my channel. I'm Cakz, Coffee and Convo. Today I'm going to be doing nails again, of course. And I got some new cool nails I want to show you guys and see how fun and fast it's going to be. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I love you so much. Thank you. I can't wait to see y'all live. I will be doing a live soon, so make sure you have your bells on. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more content and more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And also share the video, please. I would definitely appreciate it. It helps the channel. It helps us grow. And leave a comment below. So, yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, they were $12. Okay, and this is like a new one, a new piece from Kiss. You know, I really only recommend Kiss, and this is the masterpiece. So we're gonna see how it is. You guys see my nails? A hot mess, but we about to get them right. So let's go. Can I get my spot? I want my spot.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they.
Now I'm about to file my nails. I'm gonna clip them first, and then I'm gonna file them. No, I'm gonna file them first. I just want to stress that when you file your nails, before you put on your press-ons, it really helps to seal the glue. It helps to keep the glue lasting. We all know wearing press-ons, we got to keep our glue in our purse. So this kind of helps. I found that it helps. So I'm just filing, filing my nails down. You know what? I probably won't even have to clip them. I probably can use this and use the nail filer. But just make sure you, kind of buff them good. Don't do too much. You don't want to kill your nail bed. Just, see. Now, I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. And I'm going to clip my nails in the process. And I'll be back. Enjoy the music.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars.
So you just saw a little fast time lapse of me putting them on. It didn't take long at all. And now I'm just clipping them down because they're a little too long for me. So I'm just clipping them a little bit, and we're gonna be done. I love that moment. And that's it. This took 15 minutes just because I had a little time with the glue. It was getting stuck to my finger, so. But that's it. Just gonna file that a little bit. And then I'm gonna go take a warm rag and wipe around my nails. I'm not gonna wash my hands yet. I'm just gonna take a rag. Wipe around. I like my corners rounded. Ooh. All done. All done. And again, this is Press-On's Kiss, and I do recommend Kiss brand. I do try some other brands, but this is the best. It's really, really cute. And it'll last for at least 2 weeks. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. And make sure you join Cakz, Coffee, and Convo. This is Cakz, and I'm signing off.